Hey everyone, today we're checking out the Philips Beard Trimmer Series 3000, model BTS206, which weighs just 1 pound. This trimmer features dual-cut technology that delivers a fast and precise trim every time. You won't need to worry about maintenance since it requires no oil, making it super easy to use. Its portable and compact design means you can take it anywhere, perfect for on-the-go grooming.
The ergonomic build ensures a comfortable grip for smooth, controlled trimming sessions.
Whether you're shaping your beard or cleaning up edges, this trimmer gets the job done efficiently. Stay sharp and stylish with the Philips Beard Trimmer Series 3000. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.